did y'all see how far she jumped off the porch? If you don't jump your ass into an Olympic arena, bitch, where the f he come from? And who did he rob for these Yeezy Red Octobers? How are you like 3 years old and already going gray? Karma's a bitch, ain't a thief. Look, it's this motherfucker Swiper off the rip! Swiper never shows up unless Boots and Dora are together. And Swiper don't have no shoes. Swiper ain't the f***ing bad guy! It's Boots, bitch ass! Swipe just trying to get his shoes back! How you steal somebody else's shoes and then nickname yourself Boots? Fuck this dude, Boots! But look at this eye contact. But then look at how look at Boots check out Dora cake like that! Look at this vine though! Look at this vine! Who's holding them up? God? Is this some pole dancing shit? Who the hell is that dirty ass Aladdin?